नहीं नहीं, मैं नहीं पीऊँगा, पी लेना। काम करूँगा
क्या
थोड़ा,
करोगे?
कुछ काम करूँ थोड़ा, भी नहीं, कुछ पीऊँगा मैं।
काम करो, मैं जाऊँ फिर?
हाँ, या फिर कल मंदिर में जा, अपने कुछ काम कर दो मैं।
अच्छा।
गुड इवनिंग, गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी, नमस्कार सभी को। दिस इज इंदर सूरज सिंह स्पीकिंग फ्रॉम भारत इंडिया regarding movement of farmers or farming professionals. This movement, which has become immense in size, in magnitude, it cannot be taken for granted at this moment. In December 26th, today, this movement started a few months back, but now it has taken shape of ocean farming professional oceans movement. This is so title that I have elected to write is think for our food providers, farming professionals, farmers, food giver movement, a mega national public revolution. And because these acts or ordinances that have been legislated, these people are not in line on same, they are not in line to what government thinks of, our parliament thinks of these, our crores professionals. They are 70% in population, and we are dependent on these professionals, farming professionals, farmers, without whose hard work, without whose continuation of contribution to our country, we cannot get food. We cannot get food without, if they don't grow, we have to feed. We have to face shortage of food, and it shall be very difficult for our country to move further. There should be no question of politics in this issue. Why politics is involved? There's no politics. These people are self-movers, self-initiators, and they are self-reliant. Actually, it's called self-reliant movement. Self-reliant, they are अपना मूवमेंट खुद चला रहे हैं। हमारे देश के वृत्तिक जो एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट हैं, खेतीहर हैं, प्रोफेशनल्स कह लीजिए, अपनी भाषा में आप किसान कह लीजिए। एक अच्छा लग रहा है आज के दिन, आज के समय, कि हमारे देश में सोचते थे कि कोई आंदोलन होगा नहीं ऐसा, लेकिन अचानक बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ, बाय ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ गॉड यू कैन से, एक ऐसा स्वयं चलने वाला आंदोलन, आंदोलन कह लीजिए, मैं तो इसे आंदोलन नहीं कहता, क्रांति कहता हूँ। एक ऐसी क्रांति जिसने बड़े बड़ों को हिला दिया है। बड़े बड़ों को, हमारे देश के बड़े हों और दूसरे देशों के बड़े हों, पॉलिटिशियंस हों, दूसरे हों, प्रोफेशनल्स हों, और जो भी हों हमारे देश के या दूसरे देशों के, इस प्रोफेशनल्स ने, इस आंदोलन ने, इस किसान वर्ग के प्रोफेशनल्स, इन्होंने दुनिया को बता दिया है कि हम जो सोचते हैं वास्तव में वो सच नहीं होता। एक इतनी शक्ति सड़कों पे बैठ गई आके, जो कभी कल्पना में नहीं की थी, एटलीस्ट हम लोगों ने, वी नेवर कंटेम्पलेटेड फॉर that our farmers, without support of any political party or political affiliation, they would they would meet in such a number which cannot be counted. Actually, we can say incountable, incountable crowd, disciplined crowd, dedicated crowd, non-violent crowd. We have to learn from these people whom we used to think that they are odd, they are not very intelligent, they are not very well educated. We used to think that, हम सोचते थे यार ये कहाँ पढ़े लिखे होंगे, किसान हैं, खेती करते हैं, हम इनको ऐसे लेते थे जैसे कबाड़ा है, बहुत छोटे लोग हैं। पर ऐसा नहीं है। मैंने बहुत से वीडियो देखे, इन लोगों को सुना। अच्छी बात यह है कि ये लोग भी खाली नहीं बोल रहे हैं, कुछ ग्राउंड लेके बोल रहे हैं। लेडीज़ को सुना, बूढ़ों को सुना, बच्चों को भी सुना, युवाओं को सुना। हमें लगता है कि ये समय बर्बाद कर रहे हैं पब्लिक का। किस पब्लिक का समय बर्बाद कर रहे हैं हम ये नहीं बताते। आप सोचिए हमारे देश में फूड इतना महंगा नहीं है और क्वांटिटी भी कम नहीं है, फूड बहुत है, ग्रेन बहुत है, वी हैव लॉट ऑफ ग्रेन्स इन स्टोर्स. If we want to think for these people, why don't we think them intensively? Why don't we think in a way it should be thought? It's not just because I have done something, or parliament has done something, or government has done something, it's okay, fine. No, it's not true. Okay, there is a system, there is a constitution, there is a law, there is a legislation procedure. But that procedure is only procedure. Legislation should be accepted by people first of all. It's not that, okay, I did this, I am prime minister, I am minister, we did it and that's final. That is final only provided public accepts that. If public does not accept that, you cannot term it final. Even if president signs it, it is notified. It cannot be said final because implementation depends on people of this country. If people say no, we don't want this, you may enact whatever law you intend. It won't be implemented, and if this can't be implemented or partly implemented, there is no purpose of this. My point of view is different. I am impressed by this community of professional farmers. I am calling them professionals because they are professionals. They use technology, they use agricultural engineering, and there is complete branch of agricultural engineering these days. And these farmers have, these professionals have experience, lot of experience. I have seen even veterans of 90 years and above, they participate in this revolution along with their families. It's really very, very attractive point here. I think nowhere else in world is something unequal. We may say anything, it's easy to say, it's easy to allege upon someone, oh, they are terrorists, they are not farmers, farmers sitting on fields. Yes, farmers are sitting on field, farming professionals are sitting on field, but those families of 90 years, 80 years, 70 years, women, men, all are there. They have every right to, I don't say revolt, I would say to move. They have every constitutional right, and government has no right to violate that right. Unfortunately, our government has used abusive methods to suppress this movement. That is not a becoming one. It is not in good interest of ours means our country. A message has gone to whole world that we are cruel government, we are cruel nation who cannot tolerate our farmers. Really, it is very much disappointing and annoying that we don't allow, we use lathis on them, we use water cannon on them, we excavate roads, build up roads, we break them. This is called nonsense. We have to respect everybody. Number one, respect should go to our farming professionals because they work hard throughout a year, and without their involvement, without their contribution, we cannot do anything. हम उनके सहायता के बिना, उनकी परफॉर्मेंस के बिना कुछ नहीं कर सकते, अनाज नहीं उगा सकते, सब्जियां नहीं उगा सकते, we cannot do anything. That's also true. But why we don't understand this point? Okay, you enacted something, you may say this is very good. Your work, you would say it is very good. Of course, it is your work, you would say very good. It's beneficial. Okay, either you explain to them for sure that they accept this is beneficial, and you then say, because you could not understand, you come in front and explain to them as Prime Minister or someone else. Why Prime Minister thinks, why does our Prime Minister think that he is above everybody? You are in office because of people of this country, because of voters of this country, and these are 70% voters. Forget voters, they are people of this country, they are citizens of this country. आप इस बात को समझते क्यों नहीं हैं कि आप सब कुछ नहीं हैं? अगर करोड़ों लोग आपके विरोध बात कर रहे हैं, ऐसे ऐसे काम कर रहे हैं जो डेमोक्रेसी अलाउ करती है, लोकतंत्र अलाउ करता है, तो आप समझते क्यों नहीं? क्या जानते हैं आप अपने बारे में, क्या जानते हैं आप भारत के बारे में? इन लोगों ने हमेशा भारत का साथ दिया है, आप तो अभी बने हैं, ये तो पहले से काम कर रहे हैं। पॉलिटिक्स ने इनको मारा, ये भी सही है, लेकिन अब ये समझते हैं, ये पढ़ लिख गए हैं, इनके बच्चे पढ़ लिख गए हैं, अपना भला बुरा वो आपसे अच्छा समझते हैं। दे नो व्हाट इज़ गुड फॉर देम एंड व्हाट इज़ बैड फॉर देम. You are no one to tell them this is right or this is not right. You cannot force someone to accept something which that someone doesn't want to accept. That's also a principle of life. Yes, if you win trust on these people, if you win their trust, you can do whatever you want, but mistrust is a disease. Now there exists a mistrust between these people and Prime Minister. And that trust does not give anything positive to people of this country. हमारे देश के लोगों को इस जो अविश्वास पैदा हो गया है हमारे प्रधानमंत्री के बारे में, इन लोगों के द्वारा जो हमें खाना देने का पूरा काम करते हैं, वो जो अविश्वास है वो बहुत बहुत गलत हुआ है। और इसका जो भी डेबिट जाता है हमारी सरकार को, हमारे मिस्टर प्राइम मिनिस्टर को जाता है, क्योंकि वो जिस सोच में बैठे हैं दुनिया उस सोच से नहीं चलती। अगर आप इनको कन्विंस नहीं कर सकते, अगर आप इनसे बात नहीं कर सकते, आप इंटरेक्शन नहीं कर सकते, तो कैसे प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं आप? क्या सोच के बैठे हैं आप जो कह देंगे वो सही है? नो, दैट इज़ रॉन्ग। आप प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं ठीक है, लेकिन आपकी सारी बातें सही हों ये जरूरी नहीं है। इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी वट एवर यू से वी एक्सेप्ट दैट। यस, यू हैव अ डिग्निटी, यू हैव ऑनर, but people are having more honor than you have, because you are there in office because of people of this country. People are not because of you. Similarly, every professional is there in this country, that person is professional because of its caliber and not because of you. So what do you say? Why you want that you're so big you keep distant from them? You convince them. You can't convince them. Maybe you are not sure what you have done, but these people know what is done is not for them. It is also true that you are giving many contracts, many opportunities to certain business people of this country. There is nothing hidden in that. Nothing is, unclear. हम जानते हैं कि आप हर चीज़ कुछ लोगों को देना चाहते हैं जो बहुत पैसे वाले हैं और आपके साथी हैं, लेकिन देश ये नहीं चाहता देश ये। और आप सोचते हैं जितना आपका विरोध बढ़ेगा आपका उतना नाम होगा, वो भी आप गलत सोचते हैं। कांग्रेस विरोध कर रही होती, कोई और विरोध कर रही होती, बात कुछ और थी। अब जब पब्लिक विरोध करती है, जैसे 1947 में पब्लिक ने स्वतंत्रता प्राप्त करने के लिए 90 साल तक लड़ाई लड़ी थी, वो कांग्रेस भी पार्टी नहीं थी उस टाइम, वो कांग्रेस भी पब्लिक थी। पूरी पब्लिक को कांग्रेस कहा जाता था, जो उस मूवमेंट में भाग लेता था उसको कांग्रेस कहा जाता था। आप के साथ भी वही बात लागू होती है। ये कोई राजनीतिक आंदोलन नहीं है, वो खुद कहते हैं और हम भी समझ रहे हैं। हो सकता है उनमें भी फ्रिक्शन आए हो। आप क्या चाहते हैं, फ्रिक्शन आए लोगों में? नहीं, ये बात ठीक नहीं। आप देश चला रहे हैं, सरकार में हैं, यह आपका हक है, आपका अधिकार है, एक नियम बनाएं, लेकिन यह आपका कर्तव्य है। अगर आप देखें आर्टिकल 51 भारत के संविधान का, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का, तो आपका कर्तव्य है, अगर आप जो कर रहे हैं उसको आप कन्विंस करें लोगों को कि मैंने ऐसा इसलिए किया, लेकिन आपने ऐसा अभी तक नहीं किया। ये आपके विरुद्ध बात जाती है, इन लोगों की तरफ से नहीं, मेरी तरफ से भी और बहुत से लोगों की तरफ से, कि आप पब्लिक को कन्विंस नहीं कर पा रहे, आप कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे जो करना चाहिए था। तो ये बहुत ऊंची बात है और अच्छी बात नहीं है। इट्स नॉट गुड दैट यू हैव फेल्ड इन योर ड्यूटी टू give clarification to them that what you have done by this legislation enactment, that is good for them. They are unclear, you think that way they are unclear, that's okay. Maybe they know everything you have done, but you consider them unclear and you clarify everything to them. That is part of your duty as Prime Minister of this country. Parliament is duty bound to enact only those laws which are accepted by people of this country. If people don't accept something, your laws are meaningless, your laws are hollow vessels. Same thing, these laws, I have gone through some ordinances. I did not find anything good in them because you want to bind them by some mechanism which they don't want to accept. I'm not going into details of those provisions which have been included in these ordinances or laws, but what's happening now is neither in interest of this country nor in interest of our communities. How far can you fight with them and how far can they fight with them? They are masses. They are going to lose or they are not going to lose, they know very well. It's their life, it's their fields, it's their profession. How can you force something on them which they don't want to accept? They know much better than they know thoroughly which you do not know. It is their work, it's their life. It's better for them to decide. You have decided something that doesn't work. You can't compare that you call some farmers or no farmers or farmers and say these are accepting. The question is not who is accepting. Question is for person who is not accepting. If that person doesn't accept, it is that person's right to know what is right and you should listen to them, but you are not a good listener. You have many demerits. These demerits people know very well. Job that press has to do, that television channels have to do, they are not doing, unfortunately. Why they are not doing, only they know, but public thinks that your television channels, your news, all are owned by you, directly or indirectly. It's really surprising to note that you could not handle this problem rightly, like you could not handle citizenship problem rightly, like you could not handle demonetization problem rightly, like you could not handle GST problem rightly. In fact, you have failed in each and every sector, but you never accept your failure, and because you never accept your failure or your errors, you can never rectify. Also, COVID-19 is moving very strongly, and there's nothing from your end, no plan, nothing at all. We do not know what shall happen. I'm just referring it to that. This talk is not of COVID-19. This is of our brothers and sisters and our parental powerful people who give us food, grains, vegetables, and we survive because of that. If these people revolt, which they are going to do, it seems, it's very much clear, अगर ये लोग भड़क जाते हैं, जो कि आप पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं भड़क जाएं, अगर ये लोग भड़क जाते हैं तो ना ये आपके लिए अच्छा है, ना इनके लिए अच्छा है, ना हमारे लिए अच्छा है. देश में करोड़ों पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं. There are people in crores who are well educated, who are well professionals. They can think a lot, they can analyze a lot, but I don't know why some shield is there on eyes and minds of all that they can't come out and speak something. This nation belongs to everyone. I have some right to say same thing. All citizens have right to say or write. But if you want to say, no, I don't want you to do something because it's against me, then you can say you are going in a very wrong direction. You have to provide opportunity and you must be mild, little mild, and you have to come down to people rather than thinking, oh, come on to our office, we'll discuss with you. If there are crores people, millions people sitting on roads, there is a question mark. You cannot say there are hundreds and thousands. There are masses now. Masses. And when masses come on the road, it is directly against the government of that country or that state. If masses come in such a way, they are not happy with you or with your decision or your legislation, they have every right to speak. Maybe they are misled. Maybe they could not understand. Whose duty it is to make them understand? It is duty of government. You are afraid of them. you are scared of them, you are guts less to see them. These parameters of characters are coming out of your inactions about these issues. You act nowhere rightly you should have acted about. I am neither in support of government and nor in support of misunderstanding. Yes, there can be misunderstanding, but being a Prime Minister of this country, it's your responsibility and obligation and duty to make it clear. You did not allow parliamentarians from opposite benches to speak, to debate, and you just force these bills because of your power, and you do not want people to talk of that because it is you who decided. You decided or someone else decided, that's not an issue here. Issue here, this is a law of land now. This is enacted, this has been enacted and notified, so it's your problem. It is national document. All three laws are national documents. And national documents, which are statutory or constitutional, must be accepted by people of this country, we people of Bharat, India. If we people of Bharat, India do not accept them, this means there is some error, there is some mislead, there is some misconstruction of document which is impacting it directly, adversely, this community or relevant or community to whichever this law relates to. You understand very well, it's not either you are new in politics or you're new in parliament system, but people made a mistake, they say that. They elected you through your government, through your Lok Sabha. They can say anything, common people, ordinary people. When one gets angry, one can speak opposing government, speak opposing ministers, speak opposing all. This is natural. But those who are in power, they must have certain guts. They must have certain guts to access to people, to accede to people without fear or favor. If you allow these people to stay in cold, these women, these children, then you are a naughty Prime Minister, you are a cruel Prime Minister. You are not caring for veterans, you are not caring for 90 years and above, 8 years above, you are not caring for women, you are not caring for kids, you are not caring for youth, you are not caring for everybody, anybody. Why? What do you think about yourself? You are God. What you are? You are only Prime Minister of this country, and people are above you because they elect MPs, and MPs issue confidence vote to you. You are not elected by people, you are elected by member of parliaments, but you think you have become exclusively dominant in this country like kings used to be. आप राजा समझ बैठे हैं अपने आप को, आप अपने आप को खुदा समझ बैठे हैं. जब कोई अपने आप को इतना ऊंचा समझ लेता है कि मैं ही हूँ, बस मेरी सुनो, आप मत बोलो, तो वो उसका आप समझ लीजिए उसका बर्बाद होना डेफिनेट होता है. अगर आप अपनी गलती नहीं मानते, ठीक है, मत मानिए, सुधारिए तो सही. आप लोगों से बात नहीं कर सकते, कितनी नीचता है ये. एक प्राइम मिनिस्टर देश का अपनी पब्लिक से ना बात कर पाए, उनके प्रॉब्लम को ना सुन पाए, पार्लियामेंटेरियंस अपनी प्रॉब्लम ना सुन पाए लोगों की, एमएलएज अपनी उनकी प्रॉब्लम ना सुन पाए, तो वो किस बात के रूल करेंगे? क्या रूल करेंगे? वो जो अपनी पब्लिक को वोट लेने के लिए तो बात करते हैं, लेकिन जब वो पब्लिक उनसे आगे बात करना चाहती है, उनसे रिस्पांस मांगना चाहती है, उनसे क्वेश्चन करती है, तो दूर भागते हैं. कहाँ तक भाग के जाएंगे? कहाँ तक भागेंगे? और आप समझते हैं कि आप कुछ लोगों के हाथ में देश का सारा इकोनॉमी दे देंगे? बहुत गलत विचार है. देश की जनता इतनी कमजोर मत समझो. Do not think we people are weak. Okay, today they are not speaking, maybe due to fear, or maybe due to whatever reason they are not speaking. It doesn't mean they have accepted. It doesn't mean people have accepted what you have done. Maybe people don't understand what you have done. That's also your fault. If you could not make them clear what you are going to do, then you can't say this is a public law. Then this is your law. This is confined to your requirement, not to people's requirement. Public law, statute must be accepted by people of this country. Constitution clearly says we people of India have drafted this constitution, have approved this constitution, we will implement it, we will adopt this. Every law is like that. Yes, that time we accepted, we people of this country. Now we people of this country have authorized, empowered our elected representatives to do same thing, but they are not doing. They are showing muscle power, they are showing political power, they are showing seats power. No, that's not. If people don't accept something, means don't accept, finish. It's insult to you. It's whole insult to parliament. It's also insult to president. Because president signed ultimately. And it's insult to all officials of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Because without debate, this was done. This insult to nation. This is insult to constitution of this country. This insult to whole nation, I'm saying. And when somebody talks outside of this country, how your parliament works, our people won't be able to respond. So that's another insult to common people of this country, that we do not know what's our system, because system is being broken everywhere. All institutions are being crumbled, are being deteriorated, are being destroyed gradually, and that credit goes to our government. Government of this country thinks that what it says is final end. I say no. What you say is first end. There will be so many ends from public, because people supervise you, people superintend you, people of this country are above you. President says my government always. Which is my government? Whose government? Because president represents people of this country. You do not represent whole people, you represent only some people. But president is non-political, apolitical. That represents everybody. So if president is not understanding, president is not thinking, president is not asking government to take back or to reconsider, this means all our top heads, all our constitutional occupants have lost senses. Supreme Court is also not taking suo motu. Supreme Court has enough power to quash these laws, but Supreme Court is also watching. And if Supreme Court keeps watching, there can be no answer. Government is resistant. Government is raging. Government is offending. Government is just playing games with this group of farmer and that group of farming professionals. Oh, see, they are accepting because they are intelligent. You are not accepting because you are illiterate. Your message is that you are considering these people illiterate, these people uneducated, you are considering these people have money, the funds you are talking of. Who are you to talk of? My question is, if people come on in crores and move with their own earnings, what right you have got to question them? When you spend money in elections, who questions you? You spent 27,000 crores in last 2019 election. From where did you get it funded? I am also asking question. Everybody can ask question. क्यों हम क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ सकते, हम प्रश्न नहीं कर सकते, हम गुलाम हैं क्या आपके? क्या देश गुलाम है अभी? हर सिटीजन गुलाम नहीं है, होंगे आपके कुछ लोग गुलाम, लेकिन देश की जनता 80% जनता आपकी गुलाम नहीं है। जो मेहनत करता है, जो खून पसीना बहाता है, वो कभी गुलाम नहीं हो सकता। और ख़ास तौर से जब देश का, भारत का नाम हो, संविधान हो, आपसे कुछ लोग डरते होंगे, सब नहीं। हाँ, लोग बोल नहीं रहे, क्योंकि लोग शांति प्रिय हैं, लोग जानते हैं देखा जाएगा। लेकिन जो लोगों में गुस्सा कंसोलिडेट हो रहा है, anguish that is being consolidated, is getting consolidated among hearts and conscious minds of people of this country, you can't identify that because you are sitting on apex and you can't see earth level, you can't see sea level, you are sitting on seventh sky, you don't know where is earth. That's only problem encompassing you. You are encompassed by fake style, by fake circumstance, by fake environment. And our news channels, which are your aided, they are beating bands only, yours bands, nothing else. They are calling them anti-nationals. Your people are calling them anti-national. You are calling them terrorists. You are calling them this and that, this and that, this and that. Only government in this country which is calling itself people by name of terrorist, by name of Atankwadi, by name of what you call Khalistani, or by name of something else and something else. Really, it's very, very shameful for a person like me, who is a normal citizen of this country, that such comments are coming from treasury benches, from government. क्यों ऐसा होता है? हम अपने लोगों को आतंकवादी कह रहे हैं और फिर उनसे बात भी आप कर रहे हैं। अगर वो आतंकवादी है तो जेल में होने चाहिए, लेकिन आप सिर्फ मिसलीड करना चाहते हैं। आप चाहते हैं इनको बहका दो, ये डर जाएंगे, चले जाएंगे। जब लाखों करोड़ों लोग, मिलियंस ऑफ लोग आ जाते हैं ना, फिर ऐसे नहीं जाते। अरे इनकी प्रॉब्लम है तभी तो आए हैं। आप प्रॉब्लम सुनना नहीं चाहते, आप समझना नहीं चाहते। आप चाहते हैं जो मैंने कर दिया वही ठीक है, आपने जो कर दिया वो ठीक है, लेकिन वो जो कर रहे हैं वो भी ठीक है। एक आदमी गलत हो सकता है, 1 कैन बी रॉन्ग, 2 कैन बी रॉन्ग, 3 कैन बी रॉन्ग, 10 कैन बी रॉन्ग, 100 कैन बी रॉन्ग, but can you say millions are wrong? All talk same language. Yes, there can be transcript, there can be different sense of speech, but a sense of what I have seen many videos regarding this on YouTube, and what I understand that there could be something wrong. I agree. You may be wrong, they may be wrong. But what is moving on their minds, what's moving on their hearts is worth considerable. And if you think there's a problem you're not going to solve, okay, forget this. Hold everything. Don't apply these laws, don't implement these laws. And if you are so powerful, repeal them. What's wrong with that? Tell me what's wrong with that. Laws can be repealed. So why are you stressing no? They have to accept. And if suppose they do not accept, what shall you do? Shall you kill them? अगर वो नहीं मानेंगे तो आप क्या कर लेंगे? वो पब्लिक है, मासेस, वी पीपल, हम भारत के लोग, उनको संभालना आसान नहीं है. You have to explain to them what they have to do, and if you cannot explain to them, you do not deserve to be what you are. Your seat is very powerful, and you should have demonstrated that you are competent to fit in that. But so far, it has gone opposed. It's going opposing you. Your competency is a question. Your consistency it is question. Everything of your position is at stake at national level as well as at international level. You may belong to whatever party. It doesn't matter to me. Only point is that by whatever way you have reached this position, you have to maintain standards of this position. If you can't talk to people, you cannot claim that you are public prime minister, you are people's prime minister. You are not people's prime minister then. People have every right to access to you, and you are not even allowing them to go to you, to reach you. What sort of people you are? One should be dynamic. One should be, considerate. One should be normal. One should be affectionate. And one should be strong as well. You have only capacity of strong. You have no other capacity. I have heard of qualified, educated girls, women, youth, men, hundreds of others. Anguish, of course, exists there. Anguish exists there. When they have been sitting there for more than 30 days in cold weather and on roads, and they are in millions, crores maybe, after a few days. It's kind of different world for them. Kids are there, small kids, and other people are also coming, non-farming class, also coming there, and people are also supporting them from virtual locations. So they have every right. Now your competency is coming out as it's not good, means you have no caliber. You have no caliber, I can say. आपकी क्षमता नहीं है कि आप अपने लोगों को संभाल पाएं. आप सोचते हैं टाइम दे दो इनको, खींचते रहो. इतना मत खींचो कि रस्सी टूट जाए, इतना मत धागा खींचो कि टूट जाए और दोबारा जुड़ ना पाए. इतनी इलास्टिक कोफिशिएंट होना चाहिए, इतनी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी होनी चाहिए. आप अपने लिए प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं हैं, इनके लिए हैं, मेरे लिए. अपना काम करना चाहिए था. अगर आपको लगा भाई हमसे गलती हो गई है तो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं है, और फिर भी आप कहते हैं नहीं हम सही हैं ये गलत है, तो भाई उनको गलत प्रूव करो। खाली कह देने से नहीं होता। Just you say, oh, television channels are saying they are Athankwadis and they are this and that, it doesn't work. You have no right to defame someone. Hello, you cannot defame someone. You have no right at all. You have to take your stand rightly, and that's what is required. If you say no, believe me what I'm saying, accept me what I'm saying, no, that won't work. You have to justify your stand, and that justification should be professional. You have to debate that in public if required, because public is super parliament. You cannot say that you are having only parliament in Delhi. Parliament comes from people of this country. People of this country contribute to parliament, and they constitute parliament, and they are real parliament because they delegate this parliament. And it's people of this country who are owners of this country and not parliamentarians and no one else. So what I say, I don't want to lengthen this talk, but my message is very, very clear. If farmers are right, if farming professionals are right, this means government is wrong. And if government says no, we claim we are right, then you have to debate in public. You have to explain every relevant clause contained within these acts or within these ordinances. If you can do it, fine. Public has to accept that. And if you can't, because everything can't be finally decided by parliamentarians. If parliamentarians are delegated people, they have a right. But public is not delegated. Public is original. Public is permanent member of parliaments. In fact, when we say citizens of this country, this means we are parliamentarians for good. You may be for a term of 5 years, but they are for a terms of unlimited duration. So we have to take that point into our consideration. So far, my mind says that people are with these farming professionals. They are realizing, they have been realizing that there is something unbecoming, something unacceptable in these laws. It looks preliminary and in vision that something has been committed against general necessity, against general prospective future. And if they are scarce, there is a misunderstanding among these people, and it's your duty to clarify that. You are not clarifying, you are just saying, oh, we will amend this. Why question of amendments has come? That's another point. When you do something and immediately in near future that document comes to be, or there is a proposition to amend that, this means something is originally incorrect. That point should be understood. If something is originally incorrect, that should be taken care of. Who will take care of? You will take care of. People know, they are telling you, we don't like this, we don't accept this. Can you force them? Now, if they don't accept, if say even 50% of them, say we are saying 70% farming professionals, say even half of these people do not accept, where do you stand? Even 30% do not accept, where do you stand? So you should be coordinative prime minister. You should be a prime minister who can talk to people. So far you cannot talk to people. You did not talk to whatever people it was, whatever legislation it was. You say, no, what I say, that is final. मैंने जो कहा वही सही है, मैंने जो कर दिया वही सही है, आप ज़्यादा बोलो मत, बस बोलोगे तो मैं पिटवाऊंगा, मैं पुलिस लगवा दूंगा, आप आएंगे मेरे पास तो मैं झड़ा करूंगा, मैं आपके अब विरोधियों को बुलाऊंगा और कहूँगा देखिए ये ठीक है, आप गलत हैं। ये बातें बचपना दिखाती हैं, ये बातें चाइल्ड की बातें हैं, चिल्ड्रन की बातें हैं। अगर ऐसी बातें हो रही हैं, अगर प्राइम मिनिस्टर की बात को नहीं सुना जा रहा है देश के चाहे 10% भी पब्लिक हो, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। हम 130 करोड़ लोग हैं, अगर 50 लाख भी आपकी बात नहीं सुनते हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ है। इस बात को समझना बहुत जरूरी है, और अगर हम नहीं समझेंगे तो नुकसान होगा। मैं कोई शिक्षा नहीं दे रहा आपको, अपना दर्द जो है लोगों का उसको इंटरप्रेट कर रहा हूँ, आप नहीं करेंगे, आप बड़े हैं, आप सीट पे हैं, आपके पास बड़े बड़े अरबपति खरबपति हैं, हो सकता है वो आपको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, मैं नहीं जानता, लेकिन इतना जानता हूँ कुछ लोगों को, कुछ कंपनियों को आप बहुत काम दे रहे हैं। आप देश की कंपनियों को भी बेच रहे हैं, बहुत कुछ बेचा आपने, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिए लोगों को, किस लिए? वाई? फार्मर्स, फार्मिंग प्रोफेशनल्स may be wrong, but you are also wrong. You may call them by whatever name you call them, doesn't matter. You are to deal with people of this country, prove that they are wrong, establish this. And if you can't prove that, you can't establish that, just alleging upon them won't solve any problem. Some engineer is writing to me, good afternoon, good evening, Mr. Amit Dutt. These Punjab farmers are just spreading anarchy to bring down elected government, getting funds from Canada Khalistanis. See, people spread like this. They are Khalistanis, they are anarchists. Hold them, arrest them. Prove it first. They are Khalistanis. Prove it they are terrorists. You have to prove first. You cannot say what you say is final and what some people say is that final. You establish this fact that they are terrorists. 90 years person is terrorist. 5 years kid is terrorist. A woman is terrorist there. What do you mean by that? They are anarchists. They are sitting on road. They are anarchists. Your mind is anarchist. People are anarchists. They can't understand this because you are sitting in AC rooms. You don't know what is that. They are anarchists. They are a terrorist. They are this and that. They are getting funded from there. Then what for your sale? What for agencies are there? Hold them. You are not doing your job. You are just saying they are this and they are that. You are this. You are not listening to them. It's your job to listen to them. You are Prime Minister of this country. You have to solve problems. You don't want to listen to anybody. You just want to show something. What for your Prime Minister? To talk to them, talk to them. Go to them, listen to them. You may be wrong, you may be wrong, anybody can be wrong. Who shall prove it? Somebody says, you accept that? If somebody tells I am terrorist, shall I accept that? I'll break head of the person who says I am terrorist. These are farming professionals. Go to them and talk to them. That's all is duty of a Prime Minister. I don't listen to anybody. You can't allege upon someone they are terrorists, they are being funded from there and here. How can you say, do you have some evidence? Prove it. But you won't do that because you are playing politics. That's it. I least bother about all these. Never care for such. They are our food givers. We have to respect them. One can be wrong, 10 can be wrong, hundreds can be wrong, 500 can be wrong, lakhs and millions can be wrong. Then 500 MPs are wrong, 250 MPs are wrong, and 5,500 MLAs are wrong, and President is wrong, and Prime Minister is wrong, and Ministry is wrong. You are alleging upon millions and millions and millions, women, children, professionals. There are doctors in that, there are advocates in that, there are PhDs in that. What do you mean by that? There is MTech engineer in that. Only you are intelligent, others are duffers. They know better than what is the agricultural problem. You don't know that. I'm sorry, I'm exploding because somebody writes like this. People don't think, they only write something as if they know everything. Prove it. Hold them guilty. Can you? If you can't do that, then don't waste your time. If they stop producing crops, what shall you do? Do you know that? Army is from them. Police officials are from them. 90% of army is from these people. I don't understand. Prime Minister has to prove that he is Prime Minister. He has not proved so far. He's just playing all time. Prove it that they are Khalistanis. I am challenging. Prove it. Prove it that being funded from Canada. Or don't talk, don't write if you can't do that. You are blaming our people working day and night, in cold, in hot, everything. Can you do that? Mr. Mahendra Singh writing, good thinking sir जी, पर मोदी जी ने तो देश को निचोड़ कर रख दिया है, तो किसानों की बात सुनने को तैयार ही नहीं थे। जनता चाहे कुछ भी कहे, मोदी जी अपने फैसले पर अटल रहते हैं। रहिए अटल, फैसला आपका नहीं है, देश का है। आप सिर्फ एक टूल हैं। अगर देश चाहेगा तो उस फैसले को तोड़ देगा, We people of this country have resolved to constitute this country. We are responsible for this constitution, not Prime Minister, not President, people of this country. And these people are on top. They are engineering equal. Because this is technology they are doing. They are implementing practical technology. This is crop agriculturists they are, engineers they are. This is all technical work they are doing. We may recognize them, we may not recognize them, but it is a fact. We have to accept this fact. Sitting in AC room, you can't understand that. They go in 45 degrees, 50 degrees, work there. They go early morning at 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, work there. In frost, in winds, in iron, in rain, in sun. Those who are talking, can they do it? Can you do it? My talk is difficult. मैं जो कह रहा हूं, आप उसका जवाब दीजिए. आप कर सकते हैं सब. बहुत पैसे वाले हैं वो, तो आपका क्या है उसमें? किसी ने कहा जी बहुत पैसा उनके पास, तो आपका तो नहीं है वो पैसा. पैसा सबके पास होता है, किसी के पास ज्यादा होता है. अंबानी के पास पैसा नहीं है, वो कहां से लाया? बैंकों से लूटा ना, लूट लेके पैसा भाग गए लोग. वो किसका पैसा है? मेरा पैसा है वो आपका पैसा है वो. उसका कौन जिम्मेदार है? कौन जिम्मेदार है उसका? बड़ा आसानी है कह देना. एनालाइज करो, दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करो, अंधे मत बनो दिमाग से. अंधे बन गए देश के लोग, पढ़े लिखे लोग अंधे बन गए हैं. कुछ नहीं सोचते, बस किसी भी पार्टी को सपोर्ट करेंगे, किसी को भी सपोर्ट करेंगे बिना सोचे समझे. ये मामला देश का है, ये मामला समाज का है. हमें वैसी बात करनी होगी, नहीं तो हम देश की गद्दारी में कहलाएंगे. मैं इनका साथ हूं क्योंकि वो गलत नहीं है. आप प्रूफ कीजिए वो गलत है, हम पीछे हट जाएंगे. बुरा लगता है, बहुत बुरा लगता है, क्योंकि हम नहीं करते कुछ. पका पकाया खा लेते, बस लाया खरीद के पका लिया खा लिया. उगाइए फसल, उगाइए ना, पता लगेगा. अरे हम तो इंजीनियरिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन में हैं, पता लगता है कैसे काम होता है. दिन रात होते हैं वहां पे, पता नहीं होता टाइम क्या होता है. ये भी उससे कम नहीं है. फौजी हमेशा 24 घंटे ड्यूटी पे होता है, ये भी उससे कम नहीं है. इनके बच्चे फौज में हैं, याद रख लेना. मोदी के बच्चे फौज में नहीं है, मिनिस्टर के बच्चे फौज में नहीं है, बड़े बड़े इंजीनियर के बच्चे फौज में नहीं है. इनके हैं. मिलियंस एंड मिलियंस एंड मिलियंस आर देयर. यही हमें जीने दे रहे हैं, रक्षा कर रहे हैं हमारी, और खाना दे रहे हैं हमें फसल के रूप में. और हम कह रहे हैं बदमाश है ये, खालिस्तानी है ये, आतंकवादी है ये, देशद्रोही है ये. हाँ है, सब है वो. आप ही देशभक्त हैं, मोदी ही देशभक्त है, बड़े बड़े पढ़े लिखे ही देशभक्त हैं, बीजेपी वाले देशभक्त हैं, आरएसएस वाले देशभक्त हैं, और कोई देशभक्त नहीं है इस देश में. शर्म आनी चाहिए इस देश के लोगों को जो सो रहे हैं, कोविड के बारे में बात नहीं करते. झूठी रिपोर्ट आती है रोज. चैलेंज है मेरा कोविड के बारे में. सब झूठी रिपोर्ट, बेवकूफ बनाया जा रहा है लोगों को. हर चीज में बेवकूफ बनाया जा रहा है. नोटबंदी की उसमें बेवकूफ बनाया, जीएसटी की उसमें बेवकूफ बनाया. कब तक? अरे पब्लिक जब एक्सप्लोर हो जाती है ना, बड़े बड़े रक्षा भाग जाते हैं. मेरा कहना सिर्फ इतना है, ध्यान रहिए, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर लीजिए. अगर जरूरत पड़े तो बिलों को, एक्ट को हटा दीजिए, कोई बात नहीं, दोबारा बन जाएंगे. आफत नहीं आ गई, आसमान नहीं गिर गया, भूचाल नहीं आ गया देश में, भूखे नहीं मर गए लोग. जॉब की ख्याल कीजिए, एम्प्लॉयमेंट का ख्याल कीजिए, जिसकी जरूरत है लोगों को. कोविड का ख्याल की जरूरत है, पड़ गए किसानों के बीच में. क्यों? क्या बिगाड़ा उन्होंने आपका? उनकी प्रॉब्लम को समझिए, उनके साथ बैठ के बात कीजिए. बाद में कर दीजिए खत्म, बिल दोबारा हो जाएगी. बिल क्या है, कितने बिल, हजारों बिल बने हैं देश में. लेकिन नहीं, मैं हूं बस, कहते रहिए. जितना आप अड़ेंगे उतना गिरेंगे, याद रख लेना. एक लिमिट तक ही ठीक होता है. ठीक है, आपने कोशिश की, नहीं गाड़ी चल रही, उससे थोड़ा एक कदम पीछे उठा लो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. इसे डिप्लोमेसी कहते हैं, इसे इंटेलेक्चुअल कहते हैं. एक कदम पीछे हटाने का मतलब 3 कदम आगे बढ़ेंगे आप, लेकिन आप कदम पीछे नहीं हटना चाहते. मैं हूं बस, मैंने किया तो ठीक है. और आपको जो आपको फॉलो करते हैं, ओ ये ठीक है, बिना सोचे समझे, बिना कैलकुलेट किए, बिना देखे, बस ठीक है इन्होंने सही किया जो किया. डफर हो क्या? यहां खाली है क्या? अरे एनालाइज तो करके देखिए. कोविड में सिर्फ 12% टेस्ट हुए अभी तक देश के. कोविड में जिसके बहुत शोर मचा रहे हैं, हमने पता नहीं क्या कर दिया, हमारा सब खत्म हो गया, सब साफ हो गया, हमने 12% टेस्ट हुए अभी तक देश की जनता के. 87% का टेस्ट ही नहीं हुआ, क्या करेंगे आप? कैसे कंट्रोल होगा? ये स्ट्रेन भी आ रहा है, वेरिएंट भी आ रहा है, इंग्लैंड मर गया, अमेरिका मर गया, आपकी सेहत पे फर्क नहीं है, कोई सेहत पे फर्क नहीं है, कोई चिंता नहीं है, बस एक रिपोर्ट पब्लिश कर देते हैं रोज। यही आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है। मैं रोज देखता हूं, एनालाइज करता हूं उसको और पब्लिश भी करता हूं अपना एनालिसिस। क्या फायदा इंटेलिजेंट होने का? क्या फायदा इंजीनियर होने का? इंजीनियर से बढ़ के कोई एनालिसिस नहीं है दुनिया में। जो एनालिटिकल पावर इंजीनियर में होती है, किसी में नहीं होती, याद रख लेना। बाकी सब ऐसे ही हैं और अपनी पावर का यूज नहीं करते। डरो, किस बात से डरें? मरेंगे ना एक दिन, मर जाएंगे, किस बात से डर जाएं हम? इस सरकार से डर जाए क्यों? एक प्राइम मिनिस्टर डर जाए क्यों? मैंने दिया है प्राइम मिनिस्टर का, क्या दिया उसने मुझे? मैं क्यों डरूं उससे? करेगा अंदर कर देगा। डरो, कुछ मत बोलो। क्यों ना बोले? बिल्कुल बोलेंगे, हमारा हक बनता है। वोट से बना है वो, कैपेबिलिटी से नहीं बना, कोई क्वालिफिकेशन से नहीं बना, वो कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है उसका, फिर भी बनाया लोगों ने। यही होता है। एक प्रधानमंत्री अपने लोगों से बात करने की हैसियत नहीं रखता। अरे करनी पड़ती है, आवश्यकता है तो करनी पड़ती है। किस लिए बने हैं सीट पे आप? किस लिए बैठे हैं सीट पे? क्या दुनिया को टेलीविजन चलाएंगे, कॉन्फ्रेंस चलाएंगे, जब लोग सड़क पे हैं और आप महल में बैठे हैं? यह होता है काम। इसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं कहते। क्या कहते हैं आप जानते हो? खैर, मैं फालतू बात नहीं करना चाहता, और क्योंकि कुछ लोग समझ नहीं सकते, मैं उनको समझा नहीं सकता। पढ़ाई लिखाई से सब कुछ नहीं होता, डिग्री होती है लेकिन कॉमन सेंस नहीं होती, पब्लिक के अंदर एप्लीकेशन नहीं होती। बस पढ़ लिए, डिग्रियां ले ली, सोचने की शक्ति नहीं होती, एनालाइज नहीं कर सकते। हजारों करोड़ों लाखों लोग हमारे सड़कों पे चले 45 डिग्री टेम्परेचर में, मई में, जून में, किसी को कोई चिंता नहीं। यही देश है, यही सरकार है, यही इंटेलिजेंस है। अरे इनका दिया हम खाते हैं, ये हमारे मकान बनाते हैं, इंडस्ट्री में काम करते हैं, तब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। ये खेती से हमें खाने को देते हैं, वो हमें डेवलपमेंट देते हैं। अगर ये मजदूर जिसको हम कहते हैं हमारे ये वर्कर्स नहीं होंगे तो हम इंजीनियर भी नहीं होंगे। अगर हम इंजीनियर हैं तो इनकी बदौलत, ठीक है पढ़ाई हमने की है, लेकिन ये परफॉर्म नहीं करेंगे तो हम भी परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकते। ये डायरेक्ट ट्रुथ है, पूरी दुनिया का ट्रुथ है। मैंने कई कंट्रियां देखी हैं, कई 50 से ऊपर नेशनल के साथ काम किया है, मुझे पता है कैसे लोग होते हैं। ज्यादा गरूर मत करो, ये देश सबका है, संभाल लो अपने आप को। सीट हमेशा नहीं होती, याद रख लेना। पब्लिक हमेशा होती है, राष्ट्रपति भी हमेशा नहीं होता, पार्लियामेंट भी हमेशा चेंज होती रहती है, लेकिन पब्लिक पब्लिक है। वी आर ऑनर ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ दिस कंट्री, we are empowering person of this country. We people of India have given to ourselves, we adopted this constitution, we drafted this, we approved this, we enacted this, and that's why we are above everybody. Everybody comes, we are under public of this country. You have to understand that. So listen openly, use your mind, open your physical eyes as well, mental eyes and your conscious, and solve this problem. And to all those intellectuals, just don't be scared of someone. You are not given food by these people, you are earning yourself, you are working hard, so you should be with people. If you can't think for people, you can't think for your nation, because nation is comprised of people. Nation is formed by public of this country, not by government of this country, not by parliament of this country. It's people of India who is Bharat. What is India? Not Prime Minister India, not President India. Bharat public is India. So maybe they may be wrong, I don't say that. You may be wrong, I don't say that. Problem is to be resolved, that's it. Resolution is engineering. Resolve it. And then, yes, it's a good prime minister, it's a competent prime minister. But you always don't listen to anybody. You won't listen to anybody. Right? Well, unnecessarily I exploded, I don't know. But I have seen many videos, genuine videos, and I was very much impressed by these people, that there's something wrong somewhere in government as well as in this. If they are wrong, okay, locate it. If you are wrong, make correction, that's it. No amendments. Give time, finish. Okay, we just like, don't implement these acts, we suspend these acts, or we do something like that, what shall happen? Shall our country break? Why you want now everything? When there is a problem, either hold it, this is the principle. You can't solve it, hold it. Okay, we'll see in future. It doesn't take much. When this anguish, recede, this anguish which is now occupying every state, about all states are in anger, they're coming gradually every day. When there is a storm, when there is surge, upsurge, it shall come down. It shall recede. When floods there, it recedes later on. So it's flooding, it's tsunami. Why do you want people should fight with you? People are not having an objective to fight with you. They respect you. But you are not having reciprocation in respect to them. They are your people. Respect them. At least entertain them. Listen to them. Explain to them. This is your job, not my job. You are Prime Minister of this country. It is your official job to explain to them what you have done. You did not explain in Parliament, okay, forget. But public is supreme Parliament. Every member of public is permanent member of Parliament. Do you know that? According to Constitution. It's not written, but it's implied. Because we vote to member of parliaments. We, citizens of this country, every 5 years vote to elect our member of parliaments. This means I as a citizen, you as a citizen, we are appointing authority of our member of parliaments by election. This means they have to report to us. We are not going to report to them. This is meaning of constitutional provision. When I say yes, I vote, this means I elect him. So that person is my delegated person, my agent. I am not that person's agent. And I have every right to question that MP, and by virtue of MP, of course, executive prime minister, who has to report to MP. Actually, this is law, constitutional law. A prime minister is not above house. A prime minister has to report to house, and house is comprised of members of parliament who are public representative, and public is above everyone. This is our law. We have to understand that. Constitution is great, but we don't understand what is great. Every institution is below people of India. Even president is below, and Supreme Court is below, and executive is below, and parliament is below. Public is above. So respect public. That is what is required at this moment. And if you miss this chance, you will be degraded, you will be eroded from here. I'm telling you. Your EVMs won't help you. Your ballot paper won't help you. You will nowhere in history of this country. If you don't take this opportunity, this is an opportunity for you to handle these people. Don't try to play politics. Go to them, talk to them, and make it clear to them what has happened. If you can't do that, then you are incompetent. Till now, you have proved that you are incompetent, you are incapacitant. You can't handle people of this country. You have proved in this, you have proved in demonetization, you have proved in GST, and you have proved everywhere which you did. You can't do that. So far, you have to prove your competency, your consistency, which you missed so far. This is fact. People know it, but they don't speak. They don't speak. They know very well. Just like we see what type of engineer you are, what type of foreman you are, what type of designer you are. We know who is competent, who is not competent, and who is worth to be competent, who is not worth to be competent, what's the performing capacity of someone. We know कैसा कोई काम करेगा. ये जानना बहुत जरूरी होता है. हम जानते हैं, नहीं जानते, बात अलग है. खैर, अभी ज़्यादा मेरा, what I want to say that just like you say, every misfortune brings opportunity with it. So you can say this is a misfortune for you, but opportunity time for you also. You missed GST leadership, you missed Notbandi leadership, but here you prove that you are a leader. And you can't prove just keeping off from these people. You have to go to road and talk to them. If you want to win hearts of people, if you want international appreciation, admiration, you have to solve problem. And if required, don't worry, don't take it personally, don't take it egoistic. Okay, hold laws, what's wrong with that? Give a gap, 1 year, 2 years, let it come, everything come back to normal. Then you talk to them. Maybe by that time your mind is set right, or by that time they are set right. I'm just trying to tell how to solve problem. It's a risk actually what's happening now. We call risk. Risk. Risk is always very difficult to solve, and this risk is very powerful. Factors of risk why high? Be intelligent enough now to understand this. So thank you very much. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका. अब मैं I close it. Okay. Thanks a lot indeed.